Welcome back to the channel. Today's journey takes you deep inside a mega factory where raw leather is transformed into luxury airline seats.
Head them up. Keep moving. Let's go. Scan complete on tag 402.
Confirmed. Let's move this one through.
Once prepared for transport, the hides begin a long journey to specialized leather factories. This is where industrial transformation truly begins. These facilities operate around the clock to process thousands of hides every week. Precision becomes critical from the very first stage. The hides arrive preserved in salt to prevent decomposition during transport. Before production can continue, advanced scanning systems search for imperfections hidden inside the raw material. Even small defects can affect the final airline seat leather.
Red Brahman hides are valued for their dense fiber structure. That natural strength helps the leather survive years of heavy passenger use.
Before tanning begins, layers of dirt, blood, and salt must be completely removed. The cleaning process prepares the surface for chemical treatment. At this stage, timing becomes extremely important. Moisture levels and temperature must remain carefully controlled.
The tanning mixture determines the leather's durability, flexibility, and resistance to wear. Small formula changes.
Inside these drums, chemical reactions slowly transform raw organic hide into stable leather. This process can take many hours to complete. As the drums rotate, tanning agents penetrate deep into the hide fibers. The material gradually becomes stronger and more flexible.
Modern leather factories rely on automation to maintain consistency. Every drum operates under carefully monitored conditions.
Drying must happen slowly and evenly to prevent warping or cracking. Temperature control becomes essential throughout the entire process.
After controlled drying, the leather enters the first precision processing stage. Moisture balance is critical before the material can be refined further.
Excess moisture must be removed evenly across the entire hide. Uneven compression can permanently damage the leather structure.
Splitting machines reduce the hide to precise thickness levels. Even a small variation can affect flexibility and long-term durability. The inner fiber structure becomes visible during splitting. Dense natural fibers are one reason aviation manufacturers value this leather. Every section is measured again after splitting. Precision at this stage affects every process that follows.
Irregular edges are removed before surface treatment begins. Only the strongest central sections continue through production.
Shaving machines refine thickness down to fractions of a millimeter. Consistency is essential for premium airline seating.
Specialized dye formulas are prepared to match strict aviation color standards. Uniform color consistency is critical across every seat panel. The dye penetrates deep into the leather fibers rather than coating only the surface. This creates long-lasting color resistance.
Each hide absorbs dye differently depending on its fiber density. Technicians constantly adjust the process to maintain consistency. Drying must happen gradually after dye treatment. Rapid heat changes could weaken the leather structure.
Stretching helps stabilize the material and remove natural distortion. This ensures uniform performance during seat manufacturing. Buffing creates a smoother and more uniform finish. The process also prepares the surface for protective coatings later in production.
The raw hide has now become refined industrial leather. In the next stage, massive production systems begin shaping it for luxury airline interiors.
The manufacturing phase begins with precision cutting. Every leather section must match exact aircraft seat specifications.
Computer-guided systems reduce waste while maintaining perfect accuracy. Even small cutting errors can affect final seat assembly.
Every pattern is digitally mapped before cutting begins. This ensures identical dimensions across thousands of seat components.
Each piece is sorted according to its future location inside the aircraft cabin. Different seat sections require different leather characteristics.
The stitching must remain perfectly uniform across every panel. Uneven tension can weaken the finished seat structure.
Heat and pressure allow the leather to adapt to complex seat contours. This shaping process improves comfort and durability. Additional support layers are added beneath the leather surface. These hidden materials improve flexibility and passenger comfort.
The coated leather must cure under controlled conditions. Stable humidity prevents the material from shrinking or warping. The coating enhances both appearance and durability. It also helps preserve the natural grain of the leather. The humidity levels are fluctuating near the far wall.
I just adjusted the intake vents. It should stabilize now.
After assembly, every seat enters a detailed refinement stage. Small adjustments now determine the final quality of the product.
Pressure mapping systems measure how the leather responds under weight. Uneven tension can reduce long-term durability. Moving light systems help technicians identify hidden flaws. Even subtle surface defects become visible under controlled illumination.
Final edge refinement requires careful manual control. These details help create a seamless, luxury finish.
Surface polishing enhances the leather's natural texture. The finish must remain smooth without appearing artificial.
Repeated movement tests simulate years of passenger use. The leather must remain flexible under constant stress.
Compression testing measures how quickly the material recovers its shape. Premium seating must maintain comfort over long periods.
Color consistency must remain identical across every aircraft cabin. Even slight shade differences become noticeable inside luxury interiors.
Automated imaging systems perform one final visual analysis. Every seat must meet strict manufacturing standards before approval. The leather has now been refined to aviation standards. In the next chapter, the finished seats will undergo compression systems simulate years of passenger use in only a few hours. The leather must recover its shape without visible damage. Abrasion tests measure resistance against friction and repeated contact. Premium aviation leather must endure constant wear over long flights.
The humidity spike is leveling off faster than expected at the vents.
Check the sensor array on the starboard side, row 12.
Seam strength is critical for passenger safety and long-term durability. Every stitch must withstand extreme stress without failure.
Optical inspection systems search for flaws invisible to the human eye. Surface consistency must remain perfect across every seat panel.
Final approval combines both automated analysis and human inspection. Only flawless seats continue toward shipment preparation.
The manufacturing process is nearly complete. In the final chapter, these finished seats will leave the factory.
The final stage begins with global shipment preparation. Each seat is now ready to leave the factory and enter the aviation supply chain. Every unit is digitally tracked for international delivery. Precision logistics ensures the correct seats reach the correct aircraft programs. Specialized transport systems handle fragile aviation interiors.
Even during shipping, protection remains a top priority.
Once loaded, the seats begin their journey to aircraft assembly facilities worldwide. Each destination is part of a larger global aviation network.
Installation requires millimeter-level precision. Proper alignment ensured passenger safety and long-term comfort.
The transformation is now complete inside the aircraft structure. The leather seats define the cabin as luxury environment.
Leather tension reading is within tolerance.
Confirmed on the tablet. Let's move to row 4.
What began as raw cattle hide has now become a refined luxury cabin interior.